What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we're going to be working on the 2013 WRX. We are going to be working on upgrading a few parts as well as replacing that blown turbo. As part of the replacements, we are going to get rid of the stock turbo inlet and replace it with a V2 cobb turbo inlet. And in order to do so, we're going to have to remove some parts and get them out of the way. There are going to be a handful of clips and bolts as well as hoses to unhook in order to get the turbo inlet out. I'm doing a time lapse here, so I'm not going to get into too much detail here. Here you can see the turbo inlet. It has a bit of oil and it's pretty crusty in there. Here's a new cobb V2 turbo inlet just for comparison. It's a lot nicer and should be a solid upgrade. Now with the turbo inlet on the car, we're going to go ahead and start plugging in all the hoses, clips, as well as bolts that are holding all the components around the turbo inlet back onto the car. I did have to make a little bit of an adjustment and a new bracket for some of the stuff that I put off to the side here, just because the car is modified, so there's a little bit more work here for me to do. Now we're going to finish off by putting back on the intake to the turbo inlet, and this concludes our video for the part 1 of our rebuild here. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.